Hello, Philip. How are you today?
I'm great, Martina. Excited to start our cooking day. How about you?
I'm really looking forward to this. I can't wait to learn everything about cooking.
First, let's make pancakes for breakfast. We'll need flour, eggs, milk, baking powder, and a little sugar and salt. For lunch, we'll prepare pizza, so we need dough, tomato sauce, cheese, and any toppings you like. And for dinner, pasta with a simple tomato sauce. That means we'll need pasta, tomatoes, garlic, and basil.
That sounds delicious. What tools will we need in the kitchen for all this?
We'll use a mixing bowl and a whisk for the pancakes, a rolling pin for spreading the pizza dough, a skillet to cook the pancakes, a baking tray for the pizza, and pots for the pasta and sauce.
Should we head to the supermarket to get all these ingredients?
Yes, let's go. It's a good opportunity to learn more about choosing the right ingredients.
I never realized how many different types of flour and tomatoes there are.
Yes, each type has its own purpose and flavor. It's all about finding what works best for your cooking style. Add the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt into the mixing bowl. Then, mix the milk and eggs in another bowl before combining everything.
This whisking is a workout.
It sure is, but it's worth it. Now, let's heat the skillet and add some butter before we pour in the batter.
What's the secret to good pasta?
It's all about the cooking time and making sure the water is salted. It should taste like the sea.
Philip, thanks so much for teaching me today. I learned more than I ever expected.
You're welcome, Martina. Remember, cooking is about practice and passion. Keep experimenting and enjoying the process.
Philip, I was thinking, next time, could we try something a bit more challenging? Maybe a dish from a different cuisine?
Of course. How about we try making sushi? It's fun to prepare, and we can learn about different types of fish, how to make sushi rice, and even how to roll sushi properly.
That sounds amazing. I've always been fascinated by how delicate sushi is. What do we need to buy for that?
We'll need sushi rice, nori, which are the seaweed sheets, some fresh fish like salmon or tuna, and vegetables like cucumber and avocado. Plus, we'll get some soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for serving.
I can't wait! It'll be like bringing a piece of Japan into our kitchen.
Exactly. And next time we go shopping, I'll show you how to pick the freshest fish, which is crucial for good sushi. Having a good selection of basic ingredients at home can really inspire you to cook. Things like olive oil, a variety of spices, canned tomatoes, and different types of pasta and rice can set you up for lots of meals.
I'll make a note of that. I want to be able to whip up something tasty without always having to run to the store.
That's the spirit. Cooking should be fun and flexible. With a few essentials, you can experiment and tweak recipes to your taste. Here's something to start your own recipe collection. Whenever we cook something you love, you can jot it down.
Thank you, Felipe. This is perfect. I feel like today was just the beginning, and there are so many more dishes and skills I want to master.
You're welcome. And remember, every chef started somewhere, just like you, learning one recipe at a time.